Hi everyone, welcome back in my channel. Find environment to speak English. Those they want to speak English, so it is not necessary at all कि आपको अंग्रेजी आनी चाहिए. अंग्रेजी लिखना आता है, अंग्रेजी पढ़ना आता है, इंग्लिश ग्रामर आते हैं, तभी आप इंग्लिश बोल पाएंगे. इससे इंग्लिश बोलने से इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. इफ़ यू डोंट नो इंग्लिश ग्रामर, don't know how to write English, don't know how to read English, even though you can speak English fluently, it is practically proved and everybody know also, you also know this thing properly. So regarding this I am going to explain this. Those they want to learn how to speak English, so you have to create an environment or you have to go to that particular environment. जो वातावरण है वहाँ पर आपको जाना पड़ेगा, वहाँ पे रहना पड़ेगा. Then automatic you will be able to speak any language, live about English, any language, Portuguese, Spanish, Bengali, Marathi, Kannada, anything you will be able to speak very comfortably. So simple example, so many places, historical places if you will visit, like Red Fort, Taj Mahal. If you will go to Rajasthan, so many forts is there. If you are going to Goa, like these places if you are visiting, so you will find the guide. So guide क्या करते हैं, they used to explain about the history of that particular places, what happened here, who came here, who built this building, and so many things they used to discuss. If you go to Goa, so many churches there, so guide they will explain about church. So who made this, Portuguese came here, who built this, 18 something they built this church, who came here, like this everything. And if you look how much they have studied, they have passed just 10th class, some of them they have completed their 8th class education, means they are not highly qualified, they have not completed graduation, they are not completed post graduation, or they have not done any courses in English, even though they are fluent in English. So how they become fluent? So उसमें क्या होता है, what used to happen there, Goa, so many foreign tourists they used to visit, foreigners. So जो वहाँ लोग रहते हैं गोवा में, या इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू रेड फोर्ट, इफ़ यू आर गोइंग टू ताज महल, सो वहाँ पे जो भी फॉरेनर आते हैं विज़िट करते हैं, और उनके साथ वो जो बात करते हैं वो सुनते रहते हैं, अपने जो इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं उसको सुनते रहते हैं. सम ऑफ देम दे आर फ्लुएंट इन स्पेनिश, सम ऑफ देम दे आर फ्लुएंट इन पोर्टुगीज एंड अदर लैंग्वेज ऑल्सो लिव अबाउट इंग्लिश दे आर वेरी गुड. तो सुनते सुनते क्या है ना, वो अंग्रेजी सीख जाते हैं. नॉट इट इज़ नॉट मैटर ऑफ वन डे, it takes time. It may take 3 months, 4 months, 6 months or 1 year, near about something like that. It depends upon person to person. उस सीखने वाले के ऊपर वो डिपेंड करता है कि वो 4 महीने में सीखेगा, 2 महीने में सीखेगा, 6 महीने या साल भर लगाएगा. तो इस तरह से वो अंग्रेजी बोलना सीख जाते हैं. पढ़ना उसको अंग्रेजी नहीं आता, लिखना भी नहीं आता है, लाइक बट दे आर एबल टू स्पीक फ्लुएंट इंग्लिश. तो क्या होता है, व्हाट्सएवर दे यूज टू लिसन फ्रॉम देम, फॉर टूरिस्ट दे यूज टू विजिट, इंग्लिश से बात करते हैं वो सुनते हैं. तो लाइक दिस इफ़ दे आर कॉलिंग हेलो कम हियर, तो वो समझ जाते हैं कम हियर मतलब यहाँ आओ. अच्छा, आई वांट टू बाई टिकट, वेयर इज़ टिकट काउंटर, सो उसको समझ में आ जाता है वो टिकट खरीदना चाहते हैं, वेयर इज़ टिकट काउंटर. सो स्लोली दे आर लिसनिंग एंड दे आर एक्वायरिंग द नॉलेज एंड दे आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, एंड सेम थिंग दे आर ट्राइंग टू मिमिक, सेम थिंग उसको वो मिमिक करने की कोशिश करते हैं. तो लैंग्वेज सीखना भी एक तरह का मिमिक करना ही है. फर्दर एग्जाम्पल आप लोग के साथ शेयर करता हूँ. कोई बच्चा यदि बॉर्न होता है, पैदा होता है किसी भी कहीं पर भी, पूरे दुनिया में कहीं पर भी होता है, जो भी उसका मदर टंग है, नेटिव लैंग्वेज है, हिंदी में हो रहा है नॉर्थ इंडिया में तो हिंदी बोलेगा, साउथ इंडिया में बोल रहा है तो जो भी है तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़, मलयालम, उड़िया जो भी है बोल रहा है वो बोलेगा. बंगाल में तो बंगाली बोलेगा. सो व्हाट यूज टू हैपन, जब वो पैदा होता है तो जो भी वो भाषा पहली बार सुनता है, मान लो बंगाल में पैदा हुआ है तो बंगाली सुनेगा, नेचुरल सी बात है. उसके फादर, ग्रैंडफादर, मदर, भाई बहन बंगाली बोलेंगे. तो डे फर्स्ट ऑनवर्ड्स वो लैंग्वेज को सुनते रहता है, एक्वायर करते रहता है नॉलेज. एंड व्हेन टाइम्स कम्स, जब 2 साल के बाद ही और सी स्टार्ट टू स्पीक, बोलना चालू करता, तो सेम लैंग्वेज, नेटिव लैंग्वेज, वेरी इजीली. That child don't know grammar, don't know how to read, don't know how to write, but बोलता सेम टोन में, सेम लहजे में, सेम फ्रिक्वेंसी में वो बंगाली बोलने लगता है. तो सेम ऐसा ही इंग्लिश के साथ भी होता है कि यदि आप कोई इंग्लैंड में पैदा हुआ है तो आफ्टर 2 years डेफिनेटली ही विल बी एबल टू स्पीक इंग्लिश लाइक फ्लुएंट, लाइक ब्रिटिश एसेंट. दो दे आर दे विल बॉर्न इन अमेरिका तो अमेरिकन एसेंट के साथ बोलेगा. दो दे विल बॉर्न इन साउथ इंडिया. सो जो भी लैंग्वेज है, तमिल, तेलुगु, कन्नड़, जो भी है वो सुन लेता है, सुन के वो सीखने लगता है, समझने लगता है और वो फिर बोलने लगता है. वन मोर थिंग, इफ़ you are able to read English and able to write English but unable to speak due to lots of hesitation, you are not getting confident how to speak. So what you have to do, visit places like where people they are speaking English. Goa you can visit, go and stay 1 month or 2 months there. If your relative is there, nobody is there, if you are able to afford, or simple you visit South Indian state anywhere. You want to visit Bangalore you can visit. Tamil Nadu you visit. You want to visit Kerala you can visit. Any South Indian state you visit, what you will find there, most of the people in South India they know English very well. Their English knowledge is very well. They used to speak English very well. The native language is also good, including English is also good. If you go there, if you want to buy something in grocery store, that grocery store person also they know how to speak English. किराना स्टोर में जाएंगे उससे भी पता है. If you ask any auto driver, they also know English. Along with them you can chit chat. If you are staying in Bangalore, go and stay for 2 months or 3 months. Any relative is there or somebody is there, nobody is also there. If you want to learn quick, very fast, so wherever you will go, you go outside of market, you go to hotel, just you ask, please give me 1 plate of idli, please give me 1 cup of tea. So when you will start to speak, the same from that side person will reply in English, because their people they know English very well. So everywhere from morning to evening you can chit chat, you can talk in English with person. So you have to visit places where there is an environment for English learning. So very easily, very quick you will learn. Within 1 month you can learn so much, and I think within month you will be able to speak English. Whatever hesitation you are having now, you won't hesitate after 1 month. So that is guarantee. So what used to happen, those they are staying in like this type of environment, those they are there in South Indian state, maybe Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Andhra. So there they used to learn language very fast, particular English language, because they are having atmosphere there already. It is there. If you are staying in North India, there is not at all atmosphere here. कोई भी वातावरण यहाँ पर अंग्रेजी का नहीं है. If you will go and talk with anybody, including if you are going to any office also, any bank you are visiting, any big organization, if you are talking in English, from that side you will not get reply in English, because the person sitting on that particular chair, he is unable to speak English. Hindi में जवाब देगा, will speak in Hindi. So in North India particular you will face this kind of problem. But where to visit? Varanasi you visit, so many foreign tourists they used to visit there. So there you can stay there. So there also you can learn English. So you have to visit such type of places where there is an environment for learning language, particular English language you want to learn, because whatsoever tourists they used to visit in India, the medium of communication is English. Other than that they don't know any other language. Maybe they know their mother tongue, they are coming from Portugal, so Portuguese they will speak. They are coming from Spain, so Spanish they will speak. They are coming from France, so French they will speak. Other than that, mode of communication is only English. So everybody they used to visit in tourist places, foreign tourists, so they will speak in English. So that is the best place to visit and learn English. So try to be in environment where people are speaking English around you. So it will be very useful. If you don't know grammar, if you are unable to read English, unable to write English, no problem, you will speak English correctly, your grammar will be correct, your fluency will be correct, and your accent will be correct. So English learning is not a rocket science, it is just a simple thing. Be right place, be in right environment. Within few months you will be able to speak fluent English.